Hey, seniors, happy week 6. Can't believe it. All right, so a lot of you used last week and really got caught up, and I'm so happy and so excited. For those of you who still need to do that, take that time, get your work done so that you can earn credit for English 12, right? You need it to graduate, so you want to make sure that you get this credit. If you're having any problems, any issues, make sure you email me, Schoology message me, call, whatever it is, or Mrs. Freeman. Both of us are happy to answer your questions and happy to talk to you and figure things out. So this week we are actually done talking about layers. That's all the layers we're going to cover. Now I know there are lots more layers, like some really fun ones we didn't get to cover, like special effects and cinematography, dialogue, right? All of that hasn't even been covered yet. And that's things like if you've taken film studies and if you know about that, you're welcome to consider that for your summative, dun, 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 which is what is coming up. Normally, in class, we watch a film together and everybody picks a theme from that film and then tries to write a paper figuring out how that director is getting that theme across through different layers. With distance learning, we're shaking it up, we're mixing it up, we're doing things a lot different. The first change is that your paper is actually going to be a one-pager, and that's going to be coming next week. So just so you know that's your heads up on that. The second thing is that we're going to let you guys pick your movies. All right, so you can pick a movie that you can find that you have access to. Now, if you are struggling to have access to any movie, make sure you talk to me and I will be happy to set you up. But you can find movies on different streaming devices, but also on YouTube. I know not all of them are 100% legal, but so don't do the illegal ones. But there's access to different films there as well. So like I said, talk to me. You can also use something you might have on DVD or maybe something that your grandpa has on his VCR. I don't know, whatever it is. So that's what we're going to be looking at. There is a list of potential film choices if you're really struggling or if you want something that's a little bit different, a little bit more artsy. You can check that list on Schoology and you can use one of those. But if there's something else that you want and there's a film that you really enjoy or something that you're really attached to, then by all means use that, okay? That's what we want. We want it to be the best for you. So make sure that it has layers, right? Make sure that you can examine the costumes or the props or the sound, etc., all right? And you can see on the list that we offer too, there's all different ratings, so you make sure you're comfortable. If there's an R-rated movie, we're not telling you to watch it if you're not supposed to watch it, right? It's just on there because it's a good option. There's everything from A Quiet Place to Maleficent on that list. But like I said, if there's something you'd rather do, go ahead. So your assignment for this week, we only have 3 days this week, is to watch that movie, whatever it is you picked, and to complete the summary assignment. All right, so you'll see it on Schoology. It's the only assignment for the week. So you watch the movie and you complete it. Now, I know you might pick a movie that you know pretty well, and that's totally fine if you do that. The only thing I would say is don't just go from your memory. Make sure you do rewatch it because now you're watching it with the idea in your head that you're looking at different layers, okay? And you'll definitely need it when we start our one-pager this week because whatever you pick for your movie, whatever you watch this week, is what your summative is going to be on. So make sure you pick one that you can talk about for a one-pager, all right? If you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Mrs. Freeman and I are setting up a Zoom on Friday, and it's not mandatory, but it's there if you have any questions or if you just want to pop in. We really miss you guys, and we just love to see your faces. So you'll find that on Schoology and information about the link and the time will be there as well. I think that's all for this week. It's crazy that it's only 3 days, but you are almost there, right? You can do this. We are so proud of you guys, and our heart is breaking for you, but know that we have total faith in you guys, and you can do it. You can. All right. Watch your movie. Complete the summary. It's a really easy activity this week, right? It's a good one. And then that means like if you have something still missing from before, You have time to go back in and do it, right? How great is that? Oh, and it has to be a movie. It can't be a TV show. Okay, I need to make that part of it clear because some people always ask me that. It has to be a movie. All right. Have fun, stay safe, be happy, make smart choices. All right. Take care, all.